Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. This is the 2016 the Mazda, the CX5. Stock number is 7242A. Let's show you this Mazda CX5 up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos. Take notice of the exterior passenger side condition, absolutely impeccable. This vehicle has had a 150-point vehicle inspection, is Bluetooth capable, has a clean Carfax history report, and is a Carfax One owner. Take notice of the all-wheel drive rear interior, lots of ample room for friends and family maybe traveling with you. All-wheel drive, of course, is going to help you out whenever we do have our rainy seasons in the Great Pacific Northwest and even in the snow. Leather interior, of course, moonroof. This does have the 6-speed automatic transmission. And take notice of the interior front in the driver's seat. You're going to notice that all your controls are within easy access of arm's reach. For more information on this vehicle or any others in our inventory, call, email us, text us. Better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet you and hopefully earn your business. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.